Hello everyone, here's presenting the solution on behalf of our team was a invoice for problem statement identification of medicinal plants raw materials through image processing using machine learning algorithms. So we developed a web application Botany Scan for this. Starting with very first section, which is of features. First one is image upload. Basically a section where users can upload image and get the identification details. Then data analysis, which means extracting the morphological features by breaking image into pixels. Then information delivery provides the relevant details to users such as name, uses, biological name, etc. of medicinal plant. Coming to AI chatbot, an interface for raising doubts and questions in multiple languages. By educational section, we mean a source which helps in policing knowledge in an easy way. The ecological relevance can be explained as providing accuracy through sensitive data gathering such as geolocation, temperature, etc. Then conservation alerts, which can be set by informing about misuses and endangered plants. Finally, the last one, seamless supply chain integration, which provides trust and authenticity through detailed integration among supply chain. Here's process flowchart as shown on the screen, having three features: image, new data, chatbot. Coming to the first one, that is image. When user upload image to user interface, the image is sent to backend and backend process that image with ML model and break it down into image pixel. Through image data, the information is extracted, that is name, biological name, uses, and this information is sent to the user. Coming to the new data, when new data is uploaded to user interface, the user interface sent it to backend. Backend contrasts this new data with database to check that this data is present in database or not. If data present in database, the message is popped up on the screen to acknowledge the user that data is already presented in the database. When data is not in the database, then a dataset model is created, and based on this dataset model, previous data model is trained and updated. Now a message is popped on the screen to acknowledge user that data is updated successfully. Coming to the chatbot, when user arises a question to chatbot, that question is sent to backend and backend calls for API. So API generate a response in the form of charts and tables. That response is provided to user as a solution. And here is technology stack section as shown on the screen. So these are the technologies which we have used to develop our web application. Coming to the use cases, first one is identification. This term points toward extraction of information through image for any user. Then research and education, which explains how our web application can be used for learning, solving doubts, and helps in gathering information for researches related to medicinal plants. Consumer confidence, so it assures a consumer toward quality of purchase. Biodiversity, it also supports biodiversity by promotion of conservation. Commercial use, by which we mean anyone from anywhere can use our application, even on mobile devices also. The last one is government agencies. Basically, government agency provide details and ensure consumer safety by telling them what are the crude drugs that is not for sale. Now here's the last section of dependencies. The first dependency is data dependency. Basically, our ML model accuracy depends upon the training data, so finding rare species leads to difficulties. Quality matters, by which we want to tell that unclear and bad quality image may generate bad details. Appearance overlaps, that is having similar morphological appearances might cause problem in identification. Then the effect of environment. Good lighting, weather and image angle along with a proper differentiating background is needed in image for a proper identification. User hurdles, basically these are the problems which may arise in future success due to the ethical issues of peoples. The last one is expert check. So at last there is a need of botany and pharmacology expert for validation of results that are generated through our web application. That's all. Thank you.